Good morning students. Today we will discuss about our chapter 12 quadrilateral. In the quadrilateral we previously discussed that quadrilateral is a closed figure made by four line segment. Here first line segment is AB, second line segment is BC, third line segment is CD and fourth is DA. So we say here four line segments. These are first one AB, BC, CD and DA. Similarly, here we have four angles. These are four angles. Then we write here angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. And four vertices. Vertices are where the two line segments are intersect. So here vertices are A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. Here four vertices. Now some properties we also have in the quadrilateral. First property of our quadrilateral is sum of all interior angles is 360. Sum of all angle is 360 degree. And second property is that if we have an exterior angle, like exterior angle of this one is this, then sum of interior and exterior angle is 180 degree. Mostly we use first property in this chapter. Otherwise we also can say chapter 12 completely depend on this property. Here we have some different type of questions, like if one angle is given 30 degree, second is 40, third is 120 degree. If we want to find fourth angle, then let fourth angle will be x. So according to angle sum property, we know that angle x plus 30 plus 140 plus 120 is equals to 360 degree. Here we want to find angle x, then remaining all values we will do sum, then 140 plus 120, 260 plus 30, 290 is equals to 360. Then we got it, fourth angle is 360 minus 290 is equals to 70 degree. So this type we can do our questions. That one first question is given that find the fourth angle if three angles are 65, 55 and 130. So here we will put 65, 55 and 130, then find the fourth angle. If two angles are given and two are different angles, like first in this quadrilateral it is given that two angles are equal, then if we assume it is x, then it is also x. Then first we write our statement, let the equal angles are x. इक्वल जो एंगल्स हैं, बोथ एंगल्स आर इक्वल, देन वी अज्यूम बोथ आर x और x degree. Here given that first one is 60 and second one is 70. Then x plus 60 plus 70 is equals to 360 degree. So if we add two angles 60 and 70 or x 2x plus 60 plus 70 total is 130 is equals to 360 degree. Then 2x is equals to 360 minus 130, then here we will got it 230, and x is equals to 230 divided by 2, 115 degree. So in this question each angles which are equal is 115 degree, it is also 115 degree, both are 115 degree. In some questions we have a symbol notification also, like in this quadrilateral here given that this one angle is and this one like this type. Name of this quadrilateral ABCD, and here it is 70 degree. We want to find angle C. Then let we assume let angle C is x degree. We assume here angle C is x degree, and these notification so always value of here is 90 degree. So 70 plus 90 plus 90 plus x is equals to 360 degree. Here we will write it is using angle sum property. So if we use here angle sum property, then sum of all angles is 360 degree. 70 plus 90 plus 90, 250 degree, plus x is equals to 360. Then x we will got it 360 minus 250. Final our answer is 110 degree. So using these properties of angle sum we can solve this chapter quadrilateral. In this we have 8 questions. You will do practice of all these questions. Here we take one more example. If the angles are given in the ratios, like we assume here in a quadrilateral, fourth question, P, Q, R, S. Ratio of the angles P ratio, Q ratio, R ratio, angle S is 2 ratio 3 ratio 5 ratio 8. So if the questions are given this type, if angles are in the ratios, then let we assume here first angle, let angle P is equals to 2 times of x, angle Q is equals to 3 times of x, angle R is equals to 5x, angle S is equals to 8x. Then angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S is equals to 360 degree. Sum of all angles is 360 degree. We write here angle sum property. Then angle P is 2x, angle Q is 3x, 5x and 8x is equals to 360 degree. 2 plus 3, 5x, 10 or 8, 18x is equals to 360 degree. Then x is equals to 360 upon 18. We will got it 20 degree. Here only we got it value of x is 20, but we want to find angles. So here we find angles. First angle P is equals to 2x, then 2 multiplied by 20, we got it 40 degree. Angle Q is equals to 3x, 3 multiplied by 20, we got it 60 degree. Angle R is equals to 5x, then 5 multiplied by 20, 100 degree. And angle S is equals to 8x is equals to 8 multiplied by 20, then we got it 160 degree. So first we assume ratios of these angles are 2x, 3x, 5x or 8x. According to our questions, we know that sum of all angles is 360 degree. Then 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 8, 18x. If we divide by 18, then we got it 20 degree. So value of x is 20. Now we want to find angles. So if 2 multiply by x, it means 2 multiply by 20 because value of x is 20. So we multiply each and every angle, put the value of x, then 22 ja 40, 23 ja 60 and 28 ja 160 degree. So solve question 1st to 8th and complete chapter 12 in your practice notebook. Thank you students. We will discuss next topic, our is parallelogram, tomorrow.